How has your summer been so far? I can't wait for the opportunities that future will bring me, but also I know that this is the last summer that I will spend with the less responsibilities. From now on, I will be more adult than a young adult. so I want to remember this summer with the full of memories, fun memories with my friends and family and everything. So I'm so motivated to spend this summer with full of love. From now on, you will see the 2 days of my life, 2 summer days of my life. One spent in a city and the other spent in the gardens and meadows. In the first day, I'm going to a little trip and I'm petting a perfect dog. And the other day, I'm just picking some flowers and finding a little bird nest, and that's all.
The flowers understand that we're fine, you and I. Hands are tied. I don't mind, I'll make you be okay. But recently, everyone says they're seeing less of me. I could do better if I had energy, be like I used to be. And frequently, I picture myself walking straight into the sea, laughing as the waves come rolling to my knees. What a place to be.
İsimleri ne bunların?
Side by side, you keep me safe from their static getting through. Please be fine. It's too late now to go leave you behind. But recently, everyone says they are seeing less of me. I could do better if I had energy, be like I used to be. And frequently, I picture myself walking straight into the sea, laughing as the waves come rolling to my knees. What a place to be. And it's a lovely day for swimming. Pretend I didn't see the red flags that said don't go. There's if a storm out there is beginning.